Laying paving stones. Any construction operation, even when it comes to roads or sidewalks, requires well-coordinated work. At the same time, technological equipment is used to increase the speed of work on the site. Here you can see the unusual combination of human labor and an ideal piece of equipment. First, pay attention to the mini loader, which is used for unloading. It's equipped with a special clamp for laying the construction material. The clamp lifts 8 paving stones at the same time and takes them to the right place without losing the integrity of the pattern. The loader is used because the site is located far from the unloading place, so that people don't have to carry the stones by hand or to use bulky and uncomfortable trolleys. The loader is maneuverable and compact, and can work even in confined spaces. Secondly, pay attention to the work coordination. Builders have enough time to fill the gap in the surface. In addition, they quickly adjust the paving stones, preparing the site for laying new ones. In just a couple of minutes, they can pave a few square meters of surface in this way. Wacko equipment. Almost all construction work involves the use of stepladders. The problem is that their traditional design is not perfect, so every year a large number of people get injured. Specialists from the German company Wacko have found a solution to the problem. Today, their products are used by the most inventive and advanced builders. The ladder you see on the screen has 3 advantages. The first is that there are holes for the tools in the lifting stand. Secondly, the user can hold onto the special crossbar during operation, which reduces the risk of falling. And the third is that the special legs are secured on the floor only under pressure, which facilitates transporting the ladder. And here is a removable platform on which you can put a can of paint as well as stand up. It pulls out with a slight movement of the foot and doesn't interfere with climbing up or down. This is an additional element that's securely attached to the ladder, transforming it from a 2-section ladder to a 3-section one. Here we have another stand for the paint with telescopic legs, which is fixed to the ladder from above. The weight of the ladder itself can reach up to 50 kilograms, which makes it difficult to transport. The solution is these removable wheels with special spikes. They also make it possible to secure the ladder more stably on the ground. The last Wacko product we want to show you is the telescopic platform that allows you to get a unique surface to work comfortably for several hours. Installing drywall. The tool you see on the screen greatly simplifies work with a popular building material such as drywall. The German company Würth manufactures this equipment. The lift securely fixes the plasterboard, preventing it from slipping, falling, or being damaged. The maximum weight this tool can lift is 75 kilograms. It lifts the panels to a height of 3.5 meters. The person, therefore, doesn't have to make any effort. All they have to do is spin the special coil. The working width of the equipment is adjustable, so it can lift panels of different lengths from 82 to 306 centimeters. The folding design greatly facilitates transportation. However, even when unfolded, the lift doesn't take up much space and passes easily through the doors. Bessie tools. Today, more and more companies are developing auxiliary equipment to facilitate the construction work. The German manufacturer Bessie is one of them. Here we have 2 interesting tools this company offers to builders who want to improve the quality and pace of their work. The first one is a clamp that will come in handy when working with wood. It's designed for gluing sheet materials together, as it puts a lot of pressure on them. The tool is very simple to use too. It's placed on these sheets, holding them together, and then you have to turn the handle to apply pressure. The second tool has greater versatility, and it's a clamp for transporting panels. The fact is that they can be made of fragile and heavy material and have sharp edges. These circumstances make them difficult to move, so this clamp is a great solution. Its payload is 75 kilograms. The rubber coating on the movable parts prevents slipping. The tool is suitable for working with panels from 10 to 65 millimeters wide. Repairing stairs. There are a number of variations of staircases that can be installed in residential buildings. If the design is simple and straight, repairs are usually easy. But if it's a complicated design like a spiral staircase, there are often difficulties because each step has its own size and shape. For example, they may have different angles or be curved. The German company Wolfcraft offers to buy a template for steps, which can turn anyone into a construction genius. The template consists of metal profiles which are placed on top of the step in the first phase of the staircase repair. They set the correct length and width. Wood has the property of changing its size slightly due to external factors, and for this reason a deformation joint is made when the stairs are installed, which is a few millimeter gap. This joint is made in the planning phase with special fixtures. This is the element used to indicate the future salience of the step. All these manipulations create a template from the profiles with parameters that precisely copy the dimensions of the future step. The only thing left to do is to transfer the shape to the board and do the cutting. The template can be any shape and it's individually adjusted to each step. Shock Tronsole soundproofing. The key to a comfortable life in a house or apartment is good and reliable soundproofing. However, it's not only walls, ceilings, and floors that need to be covered with insulating material. The German company Schurk also offers insulation for staircases in apartment buildings. A special material known as Schurk Tronsole has been developed for this purpose. It is a ready-to-install soundproofing system that provides optimal protection for all residents. According to the manufacturer, its use makes it possible to quickly and cost-effectively meet the strictest soundproofing requirements for the staircases. The design of the system ensures optimum connection to adjacent structures. Even the joints are insulated. They have a tidy appearance and are protected against stones and debris. The material is resistant to fire, and its effectiveness has been proven in numerous tests. The system is suitable for straight and spiral staircases. The different elements are designed to suppress all types of noise. For example, you can soundproof the space between the stairs and the landing, between the stairs and the wall, or between the staircase and the base plate. The material used is high-quality elastomer that doesn't lose its properties even when exposed to heavy loads. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.